Thanks for checking us out today. Today I'm at 616 Meridian Way in Benton, Louisiana. This is located in the Belmere community. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,271 square foot. It's actually at the end of a cul-de-sac. It's got about 0.45 acres, and it's built in 2023. Super modern farmhouse look. Can't wait to show this one to you. This is a clean, modern farmhouse design with a mix of painted brick and board and batten that gives it a timeless look with just enough contrast. Covered front porch, wood columns, and a strong roof line. Right away, this home makes a statement. As you step inside, it opens up immediately, and this is what buyers are looking for right now. Clean, open, and functional. Take a look up. Coffered ceilings with wood insets. That's a custom touch that instantly elevates this space. In the living room, the center fireplace with built-ins on both sides. Super nice. You get both design and storage without sacrificing either. And notice the consistency, the trim, the cabinetry, the hardware, it all ties together. That's what gives the home a higher end feel. This kitchen is built to actually be used. Large island, plenty of seating, and a ton of prep space. This becomes the hub of the home. Quartz countertops, custom cabinetry, and a full height backsplash. It's clean, it's simple, and it's done right. You can see the custom vent hood, the built-in stainless steel appliances made by GE. The double ovens are even Wi-Fi compatible. Every detail here was thought through. A nice dining area on the front of the home, great natural light coming in, a clear line of sight from the kitchen to the living room to the backyard, so whether you're entertaining or you're just living day to day, everything stays connected here. This laundry room, this is one of those spaces that people don't expect, but it matters. Dedicated laundry room with custom cabinetry, sink, and patterned tile flooring that adds a little bit of personality. Now down the hall you'll find the secondary bedrooms. There are 3 of them. They're all good size, clean layout, and plenty of natural light. And even in the guest bath, you've got quartz countertops, custom cabinetry, and a fully tiled surround. Nothing here feels like an afterthought. Everything is detail oriented. Now into the primary suite, and this is where comfort meets design. Tray ceiling with wood detail continues the same design language from the main living area. And this sliding door gives you a clean transition into the primary bath, where you'll find double vanities, quartz throughout, and the same cabinetry style carried over. Again, consistency throughout this home. Fully tiled walk-in shower with glass enclosure, and a soaking tub positioned for both light and privacy. This is a true primary setup. Large walk-in closet with built-ins, actual usable storage, not wasted space. And upstairs, you've got a bonus space. This can be your second living area, it can be your office, it can be your media room, or it could be the 5th bedroom, and it depends upon your needs. That flexibility adds real value to this property. Now outside, you'll notice the extended driveway. Plenty of room for additional parking, guest, or even recreational vehicles. In fact, there is double gate access into the backyard, so you can park your boats, your ATVs, your toys, your trailers. Now in the backyard, you've got a fully fenced yard, and there's plenty of space to work with, as this is one of the largest lots in the community, almost a ½ acre. Whether it's kids, pets, or adding a swimming pool down the line, this gives you options. This home combines clean design, thoughtful finishes, and a layout that actually works for everyday life. If you're looking for something that stands out from typical new construction, this is one you'll want to see in person. If you're tired of builder-grade homes, you need to see this one in Benton. Coffered ceilings with wood detail, custom, not standard. Quartz countertops and a kitchen built to actually be used. Fully tiled showers, even in the guest bath. Bonus room upstairs for extra living space. And a backyard with room to grow. What are my favorite parts of this home? Well, number one, This home is not an entry-level builder product. It's custom feel at production price, which means this builder spared no expense. It's high-end throughout. My other favorite attributes of the home: end of a cul-de-sac, almost a half-acre lot, a cap and trim privacy fence all the way around with double gate access, 5 bedrooms. The 5th bedroom could be a study, office, game room, another living space. Lastly, this is located in the community of Benton, which is one of the highest rated school districts in the state of Louisiana. Guys, thanks for touring with me today at 616 Meridian Way in Benton. If you have questions about this property, if you want to check it out, reach out to us, 318-286-5511. You can also check us out on the web at teamlytle.com. Or lastly, check our YouTube channel out. We have new listings coming up all the time. You'll get a bird's eye view. Thank you.